Here's how you install a doorstop kit. First, determine where the doorstop kit will be attached to the frame. Make sure to choose a location where the doorstop kit will not hit the frame. Use a drill to drill a pilot hole in the center of the stile to prevent cracking the frame. Attach the doorstop kit to the frame stile with a screw. Before attaching the stop to the door, take into consideration two things: the profile of the door stile to prevent screwing through the front, and how far you want the door to be allowed to open, or where you want it to stop. Using a drill, pilot a hole in the door to prevent cracking the frame. Be sure not to drill through the door. Lastly, attach the doorstop kit to the door stile with a screw.